So you decided to come to France, and in another video I was doing all the pros, and I was telling you it's for in the spirit of the end of year. But I always want to give a balanced view, and today I want to go through some reasons why I think you should come to France. But to be precise, it's more some signs that you are not ready to move to France yet. So the first thing is, don't move to France now if you feel that it's going to be a walk in the park, that it's going to be very easy. You've seen all the positives, you heard of all this, and you feel, yeah, that's it. I'm ready. This is going to be fantastic. Everything is going to, it's going to be easy. I'm going to enjoy all the good things, and then that's it. But so the only thing about this is you have to take into account that you're changing country is never easy. And settling in a new country like France, it's difficult. If you have, the more benefits you have, I suppose, in a country, the more difficult it will be to settle in. And if I could refer to that, a philosopher or psychologist or Albert Ellis, he said that all our troubles come from the fact that we expect things to go smoothly all the time. And he's got something there, because when we expect everything to go smoothly, we are bound to be disappointed. So my tip would be more than, review your expectations, and maybe allow for some time when you're in France to go through the problems. Like the morning you go through the problems or the admin stuff, and then the afternoon you can enjoy it. So don't do that 100% of the time. So the second reason, and I suppose it's probably valid for all the countries, not only France, is if you are moving to France to move away from a situation, to move away from somewhere, I really think that you should review your decision. You have to move towards France. You don't want to move away from something. And there's a big difference with goal setting and the likes. You don't want to do something because you don't want to do another thing. So it's the same for France. I think you should be able to say, well, yes, France, this is the country. I've always wanted to go there. There are so many things that are positives there. Yes, you can come. But if you say, "Oh, well, I really don't like it. There is this new politician heading the country. There is this, there is that, and I really need to move away from it. And why not France?" So this is the tip I would want to give you: is make sure that you are going in the right direction. And the third reason that would make you think that you are not really ready to go to France is if your knowledge of France is very, very basic, like bonjour, au revoir. It's a good start. But you have to bear in mind that it will be, if you go to France, it will be just beyond going to the shops and buying some bread and the like. So you would have to go through some forms. Going back to the first point I was making about, don't expect everything to be easy. You would have to fill in some forms. You will have to talk to people on the phone. On the internet, they do more and more stuff, obviously, but on the phone, sometimes you would have to explain a problem that is not trivial. If you want to get some cover or some, license to do anything, or looking for a flat or anything, you would need to talk on the phone to people. So if you know a really basic of French, at least people would relate to you more. They would be more open to discussing with you in shops and the likes. But also beyond that, for all the admin work, you need to have I don't want to say a solid basis, but you need to be able to go beyond the basics. So take out your books. There's so many tools available at the moment, and you can get started work. Okay, so that's it. Those are the three bases. They are not reasons why you should not come to France, but they are for me reasons to believe that spend a bit more time on those issues of planning and getting ready for it.